Hey everybody, so I wanted to take you guys through the steps that I do to do my hair when I'm curling it. And I just wanted to show you what it looks like and what products I use before I curl it. So as you can see, my hair is still wet. I've just come out of the shower and I wanted to show you the shampoo and conditioner that I use. So it's a brand called Marc Anthony. It's not the JLo Marc Anthony, it's another one. And so they have a sulfate-free conditioner and shampoo. It's made with shea butter and vitamin E. It's a curl-defining shampoo and conditioner. And I just find that this really helps with my curly hair. It keeps it hydrated and moisturized. But the key thing here is that once you come out of the shower, you want to, go back. When you have conditioner in your hair, you want to use this kind of comb. Now, what is this? This is a comb that helps to detangle. And as you can see, it's like a regular comb, but it's basically slit into different sections. And what this does is it helps to comb through your hair and detangle as fast as possible. And I love this because it's just so quick and easy. And so I just make sure that everything is combed through in the shower. And then once I towel dry it is when I start to put in products. Now, what are the two products that I use? This one's a leave-in conditioner. This is 4-in-1 combing cream. It's a hair milk, nourishing and conditioning. So basically it helps to detangle, it enhances the curl definition, it enhances the natural shine, and it preps the hair for perfect styling. Now I use this just to make sure that I have leave-in conditioner in my hair, because curly hair frizzes when it's dehydrated, meaning there isn't enough moisture in it. So when you add in a leave-in conditioner, you're guaranteed that the frizz is gonna be a lot less. So I put about this much, palm of my hand, just like you would in the shower when you're conditioning your hair. Just start at the ends first. So I'm starting at the ends and I'm making sure I'm saturating this. And then whatever you have left, you want to take it in the front. So you're making sure that the roots and everything is completely coated and conditioned. And this is where this comb comes in handy because it really spreads it out. Just want to make sure you comb it well. It just smells really nice. The brand is called Carol's Daughter, by the way. And they have a whole bunch of other products in the whole curling collection. This one is hair milk. They have a pudding, so many other things. But I like this one because I don't really leave my hair curly anymore. Well, I do it on and off, but I like the method I'm doing lately, which is basically having it naturally dry, but in a braid, which I will show you in a minute. Now, before I do that, so the other product is called Aveda Smooth Infusion. Now, this helps to progressively loosen your curl for a straighter style. Now, I use this because I want to make sure that when I use the curling iron, I'm not, it's also heat protection, that it smoothes it as much as possible, especially in the root section, because I hate it when that frizzes here and then it's straight. So you want to make sure that it's straight and smooth all the way through. So I just put about this much and then I work it into my hair. So I just basically put two sections and pray your hands go in from the ends to the roots. And this also has a beautiful shine. Leaves your hair beautifully shiny as well. Okay, so now I just comb it. And what I like to do is I just do a middle part like that. Because I'm just gonna do a workout later on, and I don't want to do my hair when I'm doing a workout, obviously, because then I'm gonna have to take a shower again, just a body shower. So I just let this sit with a braid during the workout, and even sleep with it until tomorrow morning. And then in the morning, my hair is kind of wet. It's not so wet because it hasn't really completely dried because it's been in a braid. Then what I do is I just open the braid in the morning when I'm walking my dog and air dry naturally until it's time to curl it. So here I'm just going to tie it back. I'm just gonna go get an elastic band and be right back. So I've just tied my hair back with an elastic, and then I'm going to take the ponytail and do another braid. This just ensures that the hair does not frizz. It's nice and wavy when I open it in the morning. Now, albeit it's gonna be wet, a little bit damp, it's okay because that's how you want it when you open the braid, so that it air dries without frizz. So there, just did a ponytail, and I just leave this to dry, sleep with it, wake up in the morning, open it, go for a walk, and then you'll see what I do in the video coming up.
So here you see I'm using the Tresemme Hair Heat Protecting Hair Spray. Just spray that all over. Make sure that it's not too saturated, but enough to have coated the majority of your hair. Section it from the top of your ear, clip the top part up because you want to work with the bottom half. Separate the two in the bottom half. Take your glove, make sure you have a glove. You don't want to burn your hand. Section that in two parts and work with the bottom. Comb it through to detangle it. And then take a preheated, I put it at 410 at the highest because I have thick hair, but if you have medium to thin hair, do it at a lower heat. And all I do is start at the base, pull it down to smooth it, and then I curl it. Here you can see what I've done. I comb it, I take it, and I basically turn it around. I hold it for 15 seconds. You don't want to do it too long. And just quickly taking you through all of it. So, and once it's done, and I make sure that I don't play with it too much until it's cooled down. And if there's any sections that need to curling, I just go over that. So I just use the Tresemme No. 4 holding spray just to give it more longevity. Then I take a hair caviar, I think this is Caviar Anti-Aging Serum. I got this from Sephora. It was given to it as I was working there. And all I do is just like take a pump, put it in my palm, and then smooth the hair out. I don't pull it too much because I want the curl to still be bouncy, but I don't want it to be too tight, and I want to make sure that I've coated the hair well with the serum so that it doesn't frizz and it has more shine on it. Just comb using your fingers, giving volume and smoothing it out. take a little bit more if you need some. It adds proteins to the hair. It's anti-aging, so it doesn't let the hair break easily. It strengthens it. The brand is called Caviar. Then here I noticed one piece is not so curly. And if you do find pieces like that on your own hair, don't be afraid to go back and re-curl it. So you can just take the section that you need, make sure that it's not too thick. So I split this into two because I want the curl to really emphasize and get defined. And I work with one section at a time. And make sure to put that heating spray on because I need it to be a little bit damp for the curl to actually hold. Otherwise, it will not hold. So make sure that if you're going back onto a heated hair to use that spray again. And all I'm doing is just curling it. And there you have it. And the second section. At this point, I feel like all the curls match. There's not too loose. And just go in and scrunch it with your hands. And now I'm going to give the crown of my head a bit of volume. So I'm taking this back comb brush and I'm just going to comb through the front of the hair and give it a bit of a push back. So you can see how I do that. Just comb everything into my hand and then I back comb the back. Back combing. And then just comb it into the style you want. Here I just use my fingers to separate and smooth it out. I want to add a bit more volume to that side, so I just take a little bit more sections and I start to back comb just to give it some equal length volume on the crown of the head. Don't be afraid of back combing because you can just comb it out once you're brushing your hair at the end, and plus it just gives that volume some longevity as well. I love the bristles of the brush as well because it's soft and it doesn't pull at the hair, it doesn't break the hair like some other back comb brushes that I've experienced in the past have done. Just smooth out the baby hairs in the front as well. I'm just going to use a bit of spray again, Tresemme, however you say it. Just add a bit more back combing, just to add more volume. Just play around with it to however much you like it to be wavy, curly, voluminous, but your hair is set right now until the next wash pretty much, without frizz. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, just put it on the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the page, and let me know what videos you want to see in the future. Thank you for watching, and to see you next time. Bye bye.